Hey, I'm Teryn. In this video, I'm going to show you how I do a twist out using the Doux Mousse High Texture Foam. I like to wash and style my hair using these gloves just because my hair might snag on my nails or if my nail polish is a little bit chipped, so this keeps my hair from breaking off. My hair is already washed and detangled, so I'm just taking out one of the braids that I put it in after I washed it. And I detangled my hair using the Felicia Leatherwood detangler brush. This is my favorite brush. I'm not super particular about my parts, so I'm just gonna go with a section about like this big, and I'm just gonna do smaller twists in my hair just because it'll dry faster and it'll be a little bit more defined. So I'm gonna squeeze like just a small pump because there's a small section of hair. And I'm gonna rake it through. I've used this for wash and go so far, so this is my first time doing like a manipulated style, but it's still low manipulation. So it's right through, my hair is detangled. Look at that texture. Amazing. So I'm gonna go through the top of the section like so and start twisting about 3 times, and then I'm gonna get more hair, twist, and then I'm gonna go down, twist the rest of the hair. I took the gloves off to show you guys some more of the slip that the product has, and those aren't typically the gloves that I use, it's just the ones that I have now. And so these are 3 separate twists, and I just put them in a braid when I have a set of 3. So I did the mousse. And I don't really get too into like having the smoothest roots, especially now. So in this session, I might do 2 or 3 twists. And I'm gonna run through with my Felicia detangler brush just to make sure my hair is detangled, especially at the roots, because I see it's a little bit puffy. And I believe it's gonna work for my hair just because for my twist out, for my wash and goes, my hair stays so moisturized and defined, is unreal. So when I do my twist outs, I usually take the section I'm gonna twist and I do like a smaller twist, go around it a couple of times at first, and then I bring in the rest of the hair. So that's pretty standard. And see, 3 twists, look at that. And then I'm just gonna braid these, and it helps to elongate it. It also, because I don't spend so much time like making sure my roots are neat, this keeps my roots from being super puffy. I braid it all the way down, and then if it's uneven, I just twist the rest. So I put like 3 pumps. I didn't need that much, but and look at that slip. And even just with this, look at that. Like you would be set to go for a wash and go. Look at this. See, look at that. I've done about, since I bought this product, I think I've done 2 wash and goes, maybe 3, but like time after time. But I will say, one of my tips for trying out new products is when you're trying out a new product, make sure your hair is clarified. On this channel, if I try out a new product or if I'm testing out a new product, my hair is always going to be clarified before I test it out, just because you don't want any residue on your hair, because then you don't even know if the product doesn't work for you. It could be because you have some residue still on your strands. This product is so light. I mean, it's literally unreal, and it's all just a mousse, a foam. It could all be so simple. So, but as for now, I'm digging these one products. I wash my hair, condition, deep condition, detangle, apply this product, either let it air dry. I use the diffuser once, but so this twist, and then I'll do a giant braid if it's not like too manipulative, but I just do this to keep it out of the way. I might take the larger braid out, but that's usually what I do. So now I'm gonna do the other side and I'll come back when I'm all finished. So now I'm on the last twist. You can see the rest. So this product is really great. Based on like, for each twist that you do this side, you only need is like a pump or half a pump. And I feel like I haven't done a twist out using this product yet, but I have done wash and goes, and they are so light and fluffy. And the thing is, part of the reason why I feel like I got tired of like the whole process of adding so many products is because I honestly feel like you just need one product, because there's oils in everything, especially with natural hair. So I feel like back when I was doing like an oil, a cream that has oil, a gel that has oil, like it was just too much oil in my hair. There we go. And this wasn't really a tutorial. This is how I do my twists. Do I care about them being the neatest? No. Here we have it, 2 braids, 18 twists total, 6 medium to small braids, and then 2 larger braids. Okay, so that is all done with this. Good morning. So I'm gonna be taking out my twists that I did last night. So I covered my hair with a bonnet and then also with a scarf, just because it won't fall off. I have the other, and I wanted to make sure that it kind of still holds a little bit of moisture and it's not dried out. So it's my hair. There's 9 twists total on each side, and this also helps, at least for me, give it a little bit more definition. And they're a little bit damp. I did this pretty late at night. Okay, so there you have it. It's a little damp on either side, so I'm gonna go in with my blow dryer, but I will say my hair is about 90% dry. So I'm gonna take this InfinitiPro Conair blow dryer and get to work. That is done. I'm gonna start taking them out, and I'm gonna move from the back and go forward. Here, pretty nice. And I'm not gonna worry about separating them out right now. So this is how it came out. Kind of hard to see in this camera. It's nicely defined. I'm gonna put this in a satin scrunchie and let it air dry out some more, and then I might fluff it a bit later. But I really like the definition that this has. This is the look I go for. I don't really want it to be like super smooth. Also, always be sure to wash your face after styling and doing your hair, because there's gonna be product and residue left on your skin. So just quickly, I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna style this. Now my hairstyle is how I style my hair is a little bit more relaxed. I'm not really big on edge controls. So I'm gonna break up the part down the middle caused by me splitting my hair into 2 larger braids. Oh, and I found another twist. I know I said I don't really use edge control like that, so let's just try out this Flexible Hold Edge Gel by Mielle Organics. It has honey and ginger in it, so let's just see what this does. Here, there's a nice smell to it. Kind of reminds me of lemongrass. So just, I don't even, like, clearly I don't know what I'm doing. But let's just see. And I feel like the way I wear my hair, I don't really need to wear edge control on my. So I have this brush. Yeah, don't know what I'm doing. Okay, so I styled this look a little bit more. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment for more videos. Thank you again.